Service in Charleston has issued a special marine warning for waters from South Santee River, South Carolina to Savannah, Georgia out 20 nautical miles until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 8 nautical miles northwest of North Edisto nearshore reef, moving southeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 34 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Edisto 60 Reef, Edisto 40 Reef, North Edisto nearshore reef, Kiowa Reef, Devo Bank, Low Country Anglers, Hunting Island Reef, Fripp Island Reef, St. Helena Sound, Pelican Bank, Fripp Island Wreck, Fripp and Lead Buoy, Charleston 60 and Joe Shuford Reef. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The following